In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for gift ideas. This is a quick way to find thoughtful and personalized gift suggestions. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude for gift ideas. For example, I might type, "Give me gift ideas for someone who loves fitness." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a list of gift ideas based on the information I provided. If I want more personalized suggestions, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the age, interests, budget, or occasion. For example, I might type, "Give me birthday gift ideas for a 25-year-old who enjoys photography." Claude can also help suggest unique, budget-friendly, or creative gift options. Once I find the ideas I like, I can copy or download the content and use it as a reference when choosing a gift. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to find gift ideas. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.